are the 5 best deals of the week from a 360-degree virtual reality HD camera to some other big tech surprises and TVs. I have you covered. TVs, tech, and a 360-degree camera for $67. Oh my! You're like, wait, what? Huh? I know. Hello. I'm the deal guy, Matt Granite. I hunt down the biggest deals on YouTube, and the reason I am so excited is, while I unbox and test items, one of my other favorite things to do, other than working as a consumer advocate, is to show you the top 5 deals of the week. I go through these a little bit faster than some of my more in-depth videos. If you've seen me on your local TV station, I also do work for NBC, ABC, CBS, and Amazon Live. So YouTube is my big passion because we get a little bit more time than what I'm usually allotted on those other platforms. All of the links that I'm showing you can be expanded all of the links I have can be found if you expand the video description box below me. I'm speaking really well today. And I should also mention, if there is anyone that wants more savings insight, there's a Deal Guy podcast as well. You can find that on Spotify and iTunes. Look for the Deal Guy podcast. Without further delay, in my hands right now, a 360-degree virtual reality camera with the most incredible lens that with a single lens is able to capture some brilliant footage. Let me show this to you right now. You are looking at one of the world's first high-definition, spherical, waterproof, life-proof, virtual reality action cameras. This camera can capture up to 3 hours of incredible high-definition quality video that can be stored on the device itself, or you can even use it to live stream to your mobile device in real time. It has a rugged body that's dust-proof, shock-proof. It can stand up to virtually anything. And this incredible deal at almost 80% off on what I predict will be one of the hottest deals much later this holiday season for under $70. You can score that 360-degree camera, of course, by expanding the video description box. There is a link to the lowest price. I should mention the MSRP on this is jacked up. I don't think it's ever sold for that, but it's still an amazing reduction and a great camera. If you are looking for headphones, I test a lot of headphones, probably at least 2 or 3 pairs of headphones per week, and as much as I get tired of talking about headphones, I do hear from more people that are looking for alternatives to Beats and Bose. The 25-hour battery life on this bad boy, awesome. You likely know that I test dozens upon dozens of pairs of headphones every quarter, but this pair of brand new headphones from Idea USA gives you 85% noise cancellation and the incomparable, unparalleled 25 hours of battery life. Seriously, with Bluetooth 4.1, neither Beats nor Bose or any of the average pairs of headphones that give you up to 8 hours per day can compete with this. You can score this pair of V206 headphones by clicking the link below, where you will also find a complete breakdown of the top television deals. Keep in mind, we usually see price drops on TVs twice per year with complete reductions across the board. The first and best time to buy a TV is the week leading up to Black Friday. Keep in mind, Black Friday itself has some lamer TV deals, but that week leading up to Black Friday is amazing. And then the days that precede and follow the Super Bowl, you will find some good reductions, which are still running rampant on both LG and Samsung TVs. Awesome. The month of love and Valentine's Day does bring some great jewelry deals, which I've had in the past, but it also brings some amazing beauty product deals. And as one of my other top 5 favorite deals this week, if you're looking for a way to reduce the hands of time, if you are looking for one of the top beauty sets or something for your lips, which I'll get to in a moment, let's take a look first at Purell. Guaranteed to nourish, revive, and revitalize your skin, this product line that you have seen everywhere with aloe vera gel and cucumber extracts being sold in spas throughout our region and selling out on every infomercial is back at its lowest recorded price. From a vitamin C facial serum with green tea extract to all of those pure ingredients at their lowest recorded price. And finally, just because this was on QVC and HSN and people got really excited about this, I figured I'd feature it just because it is a trending deal right now for under $25. Not that I would ever pay that for anything for my lips, but if you want that for yours, under $25 right now on the Lip Lux Scrub, and those smell really good. Whether you've seen these products at Sephora for double or triple the price, if you're looking to scrub away dead skin and keep your lips healthy, both the balm and the scrub are made with natural cane sugar, pink grapefruit essential oil, and the ultimate extra antioxidant boost. For healthy, beautiful, kissable lips this Valentine's Day or beyond, That is very nice. Anyhow, enough about me. You can find the top 5 deals of the week by expanding the video description box below. There you will find your links. I love this, and I love you guys for watching. A reminder, if there's something that you want to see that you didn't see this week or things that you want me to test and check, I test all the merchants, the retailers, the customer service. I would love to do that for you. Drop me a line, leave me a comment, and if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, one of the benefits is I'm not going to hit you up with spam and all this other stuff, but if you turn your notifications on when these deals actually happen, you'll be notified first. That prevents the risk of sellouts, and just like having you here. All right, thanks for watching. If you're not yet subscribed, this is what you can do. Click on my oversized head right here. That will subscribe to this channel if you need help turning on your notifications, or leaving a comment. Demo video up there. The last big roundup of deals I did over here. Don't forget to subscribe to my Deal Guy podcast. Thank you. Bye.